guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you how I make my money online. Alright, so let's go straight to the video. Alright, so before we go any further, if you're new here, thank you so much. Please make sure that you click on that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my videos. So I started making money when I was still in tertiary, where I used my design skills to actually make money. So what did I do? I used to design websites, logos, banners, you name them, for people. So how did I do this online? Obviously, I had to make sure that I have a website, I have my social media platforms running, and obviously I engage and find people to see the work that I do. So in that way, I was able to actually get clients, get people buying my stuff or actually using my savers. So at the time, my company, which is now operating full-time, IL Designs, which is a design agency, at the time, it was not registered. I had not registered my company, but I was using my company name. So there is no excuse. You can still make money while you're trying to, get to another level in terms of registering your own business and. All right. So another way of how I make money online is to sell my design t-shirts. So I have a brand called Booby Brand. So Booby Brand is currently a t-shirt brand which is operating, and I sell t-shirts at this point. So that is also another way of making money online. So what do I do? People connect with me on my website, people buy and pay, and of course I make arrangements in terms of how they can get their t-shirts. So this is also something that you can do. All right, so I will give you a few tips. So tip number one, you can actually sell something. Sell something that you feel like is in line with probably what you're doing. Maybe if not, something that you think people will like. Because sometimes not everyone needs to have the best selling skills. If you know what people need, what people want, then you can actually do it. So like for example, with Booby Brand, we know that if something is trending, we can also look around that. And when people get fascinated about what's currently trending and all that, they're most likely to buy. So that can be another option for you. So another tip can be you becoming a reseller. So being a reseller can also be a way of making money online. So not everyone wants to actually have a company or wants to register their company. So sometimes you just want that extra cash, but not actually having a core business that you're going to run full time and. So you can actually become a reseller. Like for example, with my brand, Booby Brand, if you are my reseller or reseller for the brand, so what happens is that you get 30% commission out of all the products that you get to sell. So I mean, that is a way of getting quick money, not necessarily quick money, but good money when you are not actually putting a lot of work. Because at the end of the day, when you get a client, all you need to do is to report to the owner or to the main person, the admin, and you get an email to say, okay, there's an order that's available, someone wants this and that, and we can apply that. So that is also another way. Because of course, with t-shirts, obviously we can use the e-commerce site where people can just buy online. But being a reseller can also be an option, because hey, you could be around your neighborhood and then you're wearing the t-shirt and someone comes to you and like, hey, I like the t-shirt, or you can actually market it on your social platform and actually encourage someone to buy. So even if they buy online, if you are the one who actually push them to actually buy, you can ask them to specify that, hey, so and so, I'm so and so, make sure that on this site, or notify or put my name or something like that. Or maybe that could be a lot of work. Instead, you can report to the owner to say, I referred so and so people, so when you get so and so orders, know that I'm the one who referred them. And it's simple as that. Then the person gets the commission. You get your commission. Easy as that. You get it? So yeah, that's another way. So the very last point, which I think is the most important one that you also need to take into account, or that can help you actually make money online. It's important for you to have a good online presence. So how will you make money online if you are not very active online, if you are not actually advertising or marketing the stuff that you say you are selling, or whatever, whatever that you want to do, whichever way you want to make money? Because obviously your target market becomes people online. So if you are not going to push or drive traffic to your site or to your social platforms by engaging and finding ways to actually get people coming into the stuff that you do, or your savers platform, or even, for example, even if you do a webinar or something like that, you can't just expect anyone from nowhere to come to just be a part of your webinar when they don't know much about you. So it's important for you to show your work, show the stuff that you do, so that you can also build that relationship between you and your clients or your potential clients. All right, so I hope that this few tips, or how I actually make money online tips and obviously discussion, was able to actually help you or give you an idea of how you can actually make your money online. Of course, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and comment and tell me how you are actually making money online, and when did you start making money online, and of course, what other revenues are you using to make money online? Because I'm telling you, there are tons and tons of ways to actually make money online. So yeah, look out for the next video, because hey, we might be talking more about how to make more money, and I could be giving you more tips. All right, click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you and appreciate you.